first number line is going to be a distance of 10. Because we're working with 78, my starting point is going to be 70. Go ahead and make the first starting point 70. Now box here. If I'm doing a distance of 10, then I know my end point has to be 80. I want you to put a middle point on that number line, and then I want you to put 78 on that number line. When you finish, give me a secret thumb. You need to put a middle. What's the middle number on that number line? And then you need to put 78 on that number line. What's my middle number? I always have to have endpoints in a middle. What's my middle number? The middle number between 70 and 80. 70 and 80. Lily? 75 is my middle number. I need a middle. Alright, here's all my benchmark numbers, my friendly numbers. Now where's 78 going to go? Where's 78 going to go? Mason? It is not going to be a few centimeters away from 75. Nope. Nope. Ashlyn, where's 78 going to go? It's going to be closer to 80. Not right next to 80 because we know 79's got to go in there somewhere. But it's going to be a little closer to 80. Does this make sense? Alright, draw another number line. We are still working with the same number, 78, but this time I want your endpoints to be 0 to 100. Where is your middle? Write it on your number line. Find your middle on your number line, and then figure out where 78 is gonna go. What's my middle number? What's the middle of 0 to 100, Thomas? 500. Not 500, close. 0 to 100. Middle number is, we have it in our notebook. Grayson? 50. Alright, if that's where my middle is, where is 75 gonna go? 5? Sorry, 78. Sorry, 78. Where's 78 gonna go? William? It's not gonna be super close to 100. It's gonna be closer to 100, definitely that side. Hunter?
Like in between 50, like in the middle of 50 and 100?
Yeah, it's going to be more in the middle between 50 and 100. There's quite a few numbers between 50 and 78, and then there's a lot of numbers between 78 and 100, so it's more in the middle. Does that make sense what I'm asking you?
Yes.
Alright, we're going to do another one. Where would 12 belong? First number line, I want 0 to 10. Nick, go to Kaisman.
Wait, 10, but then what?
Oh, sorry, that was not right. Sorry. That was not what I meant. I meant 10 to 20. And then my second number line, I want 0 to 100.
We already did 0.
Alright, first things first, gotta find my middle. What is the middle of 10 and 20? Middle between 10 and 20. Barrett? 15. So if that's where 15 is, where's 12 gonna go? Where's 12 gonna go? Ada, where's 12 gonna go? Not next to though, because we got 11. It's not going to be right next to 10 because we know that 11's got to go in there, but it's going to be closer to 10. All right, what about my other number line? What's that middle? Kane?
Kind of close to the zero-ish.
Okay, that wasn't my question.
Oh, middle. 50.
50. If that's my middle, where's 12 gonna go? William?
Kind of close. A little far from the zero.
Yeah, it's gonna be much closer to our 0. Not right next to our 0, because we got some other numbers in there. But we have a lot of numbers in between 12 and 50. Do you have a question? Do you have a question? Alright, next one. You guys are getting much better at this. Ooh, big number. 325. Write that down. 325. All right, your first number line. Your first endpoint is 320 to 330. Find the middle. Your second number line is 300 to 400. Remember, find the middle first, then put your number. Alright, when we start getting numbers this big, sometimes it's easier for me, especially on my first number line, 320 to 330. The only thing that changed is the tens place, right? You see that? The only thing that changed between these two numbers is what I have in the tens place. So pretend that it's just a 0 to 10 number line. If it's 0 to 10, what's the middle going to be? Not a trick question. Gia? It's 5. I have to now put it with all the rest of my numbers, so it still has to be 325. If 325 is the middle, no. Can you figure out where 325 goes?
Yes.
It's the same spot. It's the same spot.
Oh, you what?
It's the exact same spot. It's the same number. Alright, what's the middle for this second one? That one was a little trickier. What's that middle? That's only a distance of 100. 300 to 400 is only a distance of 100. So what's the middle of that? William?
A little far from 300.
I'm asking what is the middle number? That is not the middle number, no. Nope. Billy, what's the middle number? 350. It's a distance of 100. Half of 100, or the middle of 100, is 50. So that's going to be my middle number. If I know that that is my middle, where is 325 going to go? No. If you don't go during math, that's always been my rule. Hunter?
In between 300 and 350.
Perfect. Right in the middle. It's not super close to 300. It's not super close to 350. It's right in the middle. Do you have a question? Yeah. Do you have a question, Gia? Ben? Ooh, really big one. 738. Alright, the first one. We're going to go a little bigger today. I want your first number line, your endpoints to be 700 to 800. And I want your second number line to be 0
What's 1,000?
to 1,000. I know, really, really big.
Yes.
Find your middle number first, and then put your number on it. What is my middle between 700 and 800? 700, 800. What's my middle? My middle. Dorian? 750. Very good. If that's 750, where is 738 gonna go? Kylie, what do you think?
like sort of in the middle between 700 and 750.
It's in the middle-ish, but it starts to get closer to one number. Which number is it starting to get closer to, Kylie? Yep. It's starting to get a little bit closer to 750. It is kind of in the middle, but we're getting closer to 750. All right, what about this big number line? Mason, quit wasting my time. 0 to 1,000. What is the middle of that? Oh, man. Oh, man. Hunter?
500.
500 is our middle. If that is our middle, where is 738 gonna go?
700.
738. Where is that number gonna go? Aiden, where's that number gonna go?
Near the middle, but kind of slightly further.
Yeah,
To the 1,000.
738 is pretty close to that middle point. It's pretty much the middle. Pretty much the middle. I think I have one more, maybe? Nope, that was it.
Yeah.
Alright, this is where we are going to stop for note-taking, but we have a new math choice board. So leave your notebook out and come join me on the carpet, please.